Now all the student of class 2, here is your revision work. Now you have to be revise all those maths. Now see, already I have written on the board. Now please concentrate on the revision maths, okay? And don't disturb your friends. Mute your audio. Nobody will turn on their front camera and nobody will start record. Nobody will record. Ma'am, I cannot see the board. Sudeshna Pal. Better you just left the class and then after that rejoin the class once again. Cut it. Okay. So here, so the 1 and 2 is number 1 is addition, number 2 is subtraction. Here the number 3. In the 4th of a month, if the 4th of a month is Friday, then the next Friday fall on 10th, 11th or 12th. Means, just think that it's Friday, isn't it? Sorry, it's not Friday. Yes, today is Friday. It is February. And now, if I say student, just think that 4th February was Friday. 4th February was Friday. Then the next Friday, which date it will be? If the 4th February is the Friday, then the next Friday will fall on which date? Okay? And now the number 4, which Indian currency coin does not exist? Is it 5 paisa, 10 paisa or 15 paisa? Okay? Now here the 5th number question. Which coin is not in use nowadays? Which coin is not in use nowadays? Is it 10 rupees coin? Is it 5 rupee coin? Or is it 5 paisa coin? Okay? Now here the first question. Ahanab, check your view. First question, add 23 meter and 34 meter. 23 meter and 34 meter equal to how much? If you add this 2 meter, Sudeshna, cut the call and rejoin it. Maybe any technical problem that you were facing. If you add this 2, so it's a 57 meter, yes, correct. Because 4 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Then meter. Subtract. Now you have to be subtract 19 centimeter. You have to subtract 19 centimeter from 40 centimeter. Now what the answer you will get? The answer you will get which is 21 centimeter. Yes, very good. So all has given the correct answer. Sheikh MD, Wasim, Sujan, Upasho, then after that Patushna, Shaptorshi, Somriddho, all has answered me correctly. Now it's the third number question, that that in the 4th of a month is Friday, means 4th, the date 4th fall on Friday, then next Friday will fall means next Friday which date it will be? 11th. MD Washim and Ojashik, very good, it's 11th. Now can you tell me why it's 11? Why it is 11? Why it is 11? Because see, 4th is 11, sorry, Friday. Now see, after Friday it's Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, means the 7 finger. Now after 4th is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. So it is 11th. Which Indian currency coin does not exist? Which Indian currency note does not exist? Sorry, currency coin. Is it 5 paisa, 10 paisa or 15 paisa? Which paisa never ever made or never ever used in the market? Yes, it's 15 paisa. 15 paisa never comes in the market. Now it's the 5th number question. See this, see, which coin is not in use nowadays? Means which coin we are not using nowadays. Maybe it exists, once upon a time it exists, but nowadays we are not using, very surely. So 10 rupees coin definitely we are using nowadays, and 5 rupee coin, yes, it's also, yes, it's 5 paisa. MD Washim, Ojashik, Sujan, it's not 5 rupees Pratyushna, it's 5 paisa. Yes, 5 paisa. So can you find out a small difference between 4 and 5th number question? 4 is saying not exist, means never ever it comes in the market, and number 5 is not used nowadays, means once upon a time maybe it was in use, but nowadays it is not in use. Okay, so up to this much today we will do. On the next class we will do some more revision if we got the time. Okay.